Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm sharing this instant chicken chili recipe with you guys. So let's go set up our table for it. So here we have boneless chicken cubes. So the first thing, this is the Kashmiri red chili powder. This is the regular red chili powder. This is some black pepper powder. Garlic powder. Some salt. 1 spoon of yogurt, or you can use sour cream as well. So now you just have to mix all the ingredients with your hands. Add some oil. Alright, so here we have the bamboo skewers. We're gonna use those. So did you guys see how easy is this? Instant chicken chilies. So here you can bake this for 15 to 30 minutes at 420 degrees, or you can put these chicken chili on the grill for 10 minutes each side. In our case, we are baking this. Check out guys how beautifully it's done. It literally took 20 minutes. So let's dish this out and serve it with some white rice with that. This is the moment of truth. Yummy. So try it with some white rice. So here you go, guys. This is the easy, simple, quick recipe of the chicken chili. Do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys the day after tomorrow, and bye for now. Okay, so you should try with some lemon on top. This is super spicy though. I mean, that's why it's called chicken chili. Oh, wow. Wonderful. This is super spicy and delicious.